What if I told you the reason you're not successful has nothing to do with your goals or your motivation? In fact, focusing on goals might be the exact reason you keep failing. Because successful people don't chase goals, they change something far more powerful, their identity. Think about it. How many times have you said, "I'll start tomorrow. I'll stay consistent this time. I won't quit again." And maybe you did, for a few days, but then you stopped. Not because you're lazy, not because you lack discipline, but because deep down, you still see yourself as the same person. Someone who procrastinates, someone who quits, someone who tries, but doesn't follow through. And here's the truth. You can't consistently act against your identity. So if goals don't work long-term, what actually does? Successful people use something called identity-based change. Instead of saying, "I want to get fit," they say, "I am someone who never misses workouts." Instead of, "I want to be productive," they say, "I am a focused person." Because your brain always tries to stay consistent with who you believe you are. So when your identity changes, your actions follow automatically. Your brain has a built-in system called self-consistency. It constantly asks, does this action match who I am? If the answer is no, you feel resistance. If the answer is yes, it feels natural. That's why forcing habits feels so hard. You're trying to act like someone you don't believe you are, yet. Here's how to use the identity trick starting today. Step 1. Choose your identity. Not what you want to achieve, but who you want to become. For example, I am a disciplined person. Step 2. Prove it with small actions. Even 5 minutes of effort counts. Step 3. Repeat daily. Every action becomes a vote for your new identity. Over time, it becomes real. So stop asking, "What should I do?" Start asking, "Who am I becoming?" Because once your identity changes, success is no longer something you chase. It becomes who you are. If this changed your perspective, subscribe for more videos like this. Comment below, who are you becoming? And watch the next video to learn how to stay consistent, even when motivation disappears.